Okay, you thought a robot dog walking upstairs was impressive? Forget that. Boston Dynamics just dropped a video where Spot, yes, the yellow robot dog, goes full gymnast. I'm talking backflips. Multiple. In a row, like an Olympic athlete. And the wild part? This isn't just for show. Now, before you freak out and picture robot dogs doing parkour in your backyard, let's break down why this is such a big deal. Because what looks like a stunt is actually Boston Dynamics pushing Spot's hardware and software to the absolute edge. And it tells us a lot about where robotics is heading. The video starts with Spot tumbling, slipping, landing flat on its side. Honestly, it looks hilarious. But then, boom. After a ton of fails, it nails a perfect standing backflip. Over and over again, you can see the engineers behind the camera losing their minds. And honestly, so would I. Imagine watching a 70-pound machine do something your gym teacher couldn't even pull off. One of Boston Dynamics engineers, Arun Kumar, actually explained the method behind the madness. Customers don't need a robot that can do gymnastics. But here's the catch. When Spot is working in the real world, carrying heavy gear or walking through rough terrain, it might slip. If it can recover from a full backflip, recovering from a trip on a factory floor is child's play. The backflips are basically stress tests for Spot's motors, its power system, and its ability to bounce back from failure. And this isn't happening in some secret lab with no purpose. Spot is already out there in the wild, mapping factories at Ford, inspecting power plants, even doing radiation surveys. Universities use it to teach robotics and AI because it's one of the few bots that can actually handle stairs, sidewalks, and unpredictable terrain. Some researchers are even training fleets of Spots to explore caves and underground tunnels for disaster relief, or maybe one day, even NASA missions. What really gets me is the process. Simulation first, then hardware. It never works on the first try, so the team repeats, fails, debugs, fixes, tries again, and every time Spot gets more reliable. It's like watching an athlete train, except this one runs on batteries and code. So yeah, Spot isn't auditioning for the Olympics anytime soon, but these backflips are a window into what's coming. Robots that don't just walk, they adapt, recover, and maybe one day outperform us in ways we can't even imagine. The question is, are you excited or a little terrified? Subscribe Technology X AI if you want to see where this crazy world of robotics is heading next, because Spot's backflips are just the beginning.